Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another gele tutorial video. So I'm going to be using my ashoke and pin. So let's dive right into the video. The measurement for this style is 50-50. So you pleat your gele, place it on your head from the back. So you arrange your pleat. So once you are done arranging your pleat, make sure it is firm. Just twist it properly. Can you see? Make sure it is firm. So once you are done, secure this part. Secure it. Then you secure this part also. So once you are done with this, so you continue like this. You continue. So make sure you extend your pleats to the back. Find a way of securing it so it doesn't scatter. So you do the same for the other side. So once you are done with the other side, just tie it at the back. You can always come back to arrange your gele. So you just arrange your gele and style it to your satisfaction and you are done. Yeah. So guys, we are finally done with the gele. Let me show you the back. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.